Hello friends, welcome back. So our today's topic is React components. In this lecture we are going to learn in React how many ways we can create components and its lifecycle methods. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. So friends, in React we have two types of components. First one is class based component and the second one is functional based component. These days React team prefer us to use this functional based components. We will discuss later that why. First let's understand what is the difference between these functional and the class components. So as you can see, in class component we have to extend it from React component. When we extend it from React component, then automatically it will provide us some lifecycle methods. First one is constructor. We can use this constructor to initialize the values or state before mounting this component. And the second one we have component dead mount. Component dead mount called whenever this component is mounted into the application, and at that point all of this HTML will be rendered and we can make API calls here. And next one we have the component will unmount. We will use this component will unmount to clear some subscription. In some components, if we have some subscriptions that we will see in upcoming videos, then we can clear those subscription here so that there will be no memory leakage. We will also cover the memory leakage concept in upcoming videos. And next one we have the render. Inside render we will write the HTML part. So this is the class component, and next one we have the functional component. In functional component it's just a simple function, and inside this function we have one return parameter, and inside this functional component we have return statement. In a return statement we return the HTML part. Now there is not any specific lifecycle method available in the functional components. What we can achieve that by the React hooks. So you can see we have use effect hook available here, similar to the did mount. This use effect hook calls after the mounting of this HTML into the DOM. Now we can similarly clear the subscriptions here. This is the unmounting part of the use effect function, and we can do similar things here which we are doing inside the component will unmount. Next we can use state inside the functional component as well using this use state hook. And if we compare this class component and functional component, in class component we have to extend it from the React component. In functional component we don't need that. In class component there are predefined lifecycle methods which help us to perform some actions. And in functional component there is not any lifecycle methods predefined, but we can do that by using the hooks, these hooks. And we can do the similar things which we can do in state, and we can do all things inside the functional component which we can do inside the class components. So these are the side by side comparison. In upcoming videos we are not going to use the class based components, but as a React developer we should know what the class components as well. So that's it for this comparison, and thanks for watching this video. If you are getting value from this video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel.